I would like my eyes to look just clear and fresh.
Alive, vibrant.
I guess I just don't want to look tired.
Of course, not puffy.
I want my eyes to look bright
and youthful.
When you're not wearing concealer, people will be like, are you tired?
Are you sick? Are you feeling okay?
I get puffy under eyes when I don't get enough sleep.
I haven't had water, or I drink a lot, or I eat super salty food. There's only so much that concealer can do. Dr. Brandt.
Needles no more.
No more baggage, love that.
Oh my gosh, this is not what I was expecting. It's orange.
Very emollient.
I guess we should try it. Warm a tiny amount between fingers.
And gently pat dry on bags and dark circles. Like this.
Ooh, this feels nice. It's not tingling, it's just really just pulling a little bit, like making it, a little tighter.
I kind of feel my skin like...
So now I really just have to look in the mirror and see if there's a big change.
Honestly feel like they look tighter and less puffy.
It's evened out the complexion.
So this looks a little bit brighter to me underneath. So I'll be looking very much younger soon, yay!